Hello students, Sem 5 English, in which we already completed our grammar topic. The grammar topic that we already completed are reported speech, question take, individual reports, and copy of advertisement. Now, we started our textbook. There are 5 chapters in your textbook. The lady or the tiger that we will start today. The gift of mommy. The sweeper, black boy, and astrologer's day that was written by R.P. Narayan. Today, we started our first chapter, the lady or the tiger. There is a question. So obviously we find the answer from the lesson that is there a lady or a tiger. Let's some talk about the author of this lesson. Let's talk about the which kind of story it is. First of all, as you know that there are many kinds of writing books, like novel, short story, fable story, epic. There are the writing types. It means the types of writing. As you know that what is in a novel? The novel is a book which was written on some character, on some situations, and it is very lengthy. Many chapters are dependent on each other. It is called a novel. Short story. Limited characters are there. Limited chapters. Not only limited chapters, but 1 or 2 chapters are there only. And which is around some character, which is around some story. Fable story. Have you ever heard about the Panchatantra or Hitopadesh? I want to talk with you about the Panchatantra and Hitopadesh after. But first of all, I explain you what is epic. Epic, it means a form of writing in which slokas or mantras are written on a form of prose. It is called epic. A big book, a big poem, it is called epic. Like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita are the epic of Indian literature. Now, I want to tell you about the fable story. I want to explain you the fable story in detail because the chapter we will start today is dependent on the fable story. I ask you a question. Have you ever heard about the Hitopadesh or a Panchatantra? Then you said yes. We already studied many stories on Panchatantra or a Hitopadesh. When you are in a primary standard, you must write or hear the story of tortoise and rabbit. It is a story of Panchatantra. You must hear the story of a crow and fox, 2 monkeys and a cat. All the stories are the fable stories. At that time, might you not know that what is fable story, what is the Panchatantra or what is the Hitopadesh. There is also, besides I told you a story. There was a king before many years ago. There was a king who was very diligent, who was very smart. Unfortunately, his children are very dull. We can say that they are not interested in their studies. At that time, the king was very worried. He called many scholars in his kingdom to teach their children, to learn their children. But no scholars could teach the children of the king. At that time, the king put a challenge openly that whoever could teach my children, I will give them reward. At that time, a Rishi came to his palace in his kingdom and told that I will learn your children, I will taught your children. At that time, he started to taught the children of the king to prince. The children could not concentrate as usual, but the Rishi cannot defect at that time. He made the stories on birds and give the moral lesson to the children. He made the stories on animals and give the moral lesson to the children. At that way, children are interested to study. Children are interested to listen the research. And as the way, the Panchatantra and Hitopades are made up. And the fable story that we talk about today. The fable story is a one kind of story which was written on the animal, bird or some fictional character that are not actual. The story gives us some moral message that is called a fable story. So, the Lady and the Tiger is a fable story which was written by Frank Richard. Let's see about the fable story in a detail. Frank Richard Stockton was the author of this story. He was an American writer and humorist. It means he was not only writer but as well as the humorist also. Humorist it means a person who can find humor in every topic. He was known for his series of an innovative children's fairy tale. It is also a fairy tale, a fable, that were widely popular during the last decade of the 19th century. Let's see some facts on Frank Richard Stockton. Frank Richard Stockton was born on 5th April 1832 at US, United States, who was died in 20th April 1902 after his popular fairy tale story, after his fairy tale, he was died. Nationality American. Actually, his father didn't like that. The friend became a writer, and that's why after his marriage, he moved to another city, and there he started to write these stories. But after his death, he come back to his city, and at that time his he started to write the story again. His wife name is Mary and Edward. His famous words are like that. The lady or the tiger, obviously. The beginning or the adventure of Captain Hook. Fulminant's crowded. Tinkerly was a very famous book of name. Very famous series also. So, discouragement. Very famous work of. I will tell you now the summary of the story. What is the plot or a subplot of the story? The subplot or a plot of the story is like that. There was a king in a kingdom who was very unusual person. We can say like that. It means who was not a very normal person. Normally what was happening in a kingdom, if someone committed an mistake, the king gave him punishment, right? But in his kingdom, the rules are different. I will tell you what is the rule. In his kingdom, there was a rule. And the rule was like that. If anyone committed a serious crime, the king did not give him punishment. In place of it, instead of it, he taken to a large arena the criminal. In a large arena, there were two doors. In one side door, there was a tiger. In the other side door, there was a beautiful lady. There is a beautiful girl. The criminal has to choose a door of his luck. He has to choose a door of his fortune. If he was fortunate, he chose the door behind the door. There is a girl behind the door. And if he was unfortunate, then he chose a door where there was a tiger. Nobody knows that on which door there was a tiger, on which door there was a girl. Now what was happened? The princess of the king fell in love with a soldier of his army, and the king could not digest it. Obviously, at that time it was a very serious thing that a princess was falling in love with a soldier who was a very normal person. As usual, the king put a girl behind the window, and the king put a tiger, hungry tiger, behind the second. The princess knew that on which door there was a tiger, on which door there was a girl. If the girl helped the soldier, if the girl saved the soldier, that kind of answer we will find in this story. Let's see the story in a detail. instructor. In a very olden time, there lived a semi-barbaric king. Semi-barbaric it means uncivilized. There was a king who was once uncivilized, whose ideas, thoughts, somewhat polished and sharp by the progressive of distant Latin neighbor, were still large, florid, untrammeled, it means discovered. As become the half of him, which was very big. Why was it called semi-barbaric? Because he was half civilized and half uncivilized. Actually, the king could not take decision by his own mind, and that's why he take the half decision with his own mind and half decision with the neighboring country Latin's kingdomship. And that's why the line is given here that a progressiveness of distant Latin neighbors were still large, florid, and untrammeled. As become the half of him which was barbaric. He took half decision with his own mind and half decision with the Latin kingdomship. He was a man of exuberant fancy and vital, of an authority of irresistible, it means so strong. A person who has a very strong position that at his will he turned his varied fancy into facts. It means whatever thoughts come to his mind, whether they are probable or not, whether they are appreciate or not, he just applied that. He was greatly given to his self-communing, and when he and himself agreed upon anything, the thing was done. It means he was very determined. We cannot tell the determined kind of person, but craziness like that. Once he decided that I want to do like that, he had to do that. Yet anyhow, he just did the same thing, whatever come in his mind. When every member of his domestic and political system moved smoothly in its appointed course, his nature was bland and gentle. Everyone worked with a very political manner, with very genuine manner, smoothly manner. At that time, we found something like that. Every manner I destroyed at that time. Blend of genuine. But when there was a little hitch, and some of his orbs got out their orbit at that time, when everything was going like smoothly, something happened in his mind, something happened orbiting in his mind that going round is not possible for him. It means he cannot take the things as smoothly. He has to abstract that. He has to choose the abstraction between the things that are going in a smooth manner. He was blander and more gentle still, for nothing pleased him so much as to make crooked straight and crush down uneven valleys. He was not in fun manner. He was not coming into a good manner. That when everything was going smoothly, he has to give a difficulty into that. In Gujarati, we can say like that. જ્યારે બધું સરસ ચાલતું હોય ને ત્યારે એને ડાયજેસ્ટ નથી કરી શકતો. It means he has to give some obstruction between that. So here in the first paragraph, we show how was the nature of the king. The nature of the king was very uncivilized. There was an ox got out of their orbit, his orbit. He cannot take the things as smoothly. So we can say like that he was a fancy kind of person. Next, among the forward notions by which his barbarism civilizations had become stratified was that in a public arena in which by exhibitions of manly beastly creature and or a creature. The mind of the subject were refined and cultured. When he takes the barbarism in his country, in his kingdom, city, he becomes semi-fied. It means half that, not full. In a public arena, he takes the person of the criminal into a public arena. That I told you that what is public arena. Arena, it means a large place where many people come together. In which, by exhibition, it means all the people of the town come to see that drama. Of mainly beastly, whether the mind of the subject were refined and cultured. But even here, exuberant and barbaric fancy extracted itself. Extracted, it means used about the person of his behavior. Here, where a person and his behavior are used as an executive, the arena of the king was built, not to give the people an opportunity of hearing the rebellions. Where he did not listen to anybody of dying gladiators. What is gladiators? A man who fought against another man or a wild animal in a public show. He gathered the people at that, and where people show the public show, neither nor is used there. No person has ability, no person has courage to tell their king that you are doing wrong. So they are not express their feeling of dying the public show, nor to enable them to view in a inevitable conclusion of a conflict between the religious opinion and hungry Jews. Jo, it means Panju. Animal fit is called as a Joe. but for the purpose for better adapting to widen and develop the mental energies of people. This vast amphitheater, it means the vast arena, with its encircling galleries, its mysterious values. It means nobody knows that in what is there behind the wall. Mysterious, suspicious, and unseen passage was an ancient or poetic justice in which crime was punished or virtue rewarded by the disgrace of an impartial, incorruptible chance. It means nobody has a chance to move out from that, to go out from that. When a subject was accused of a crime of sufficient importance to interest me, public notice was given to the appointed day. The fact, it means luck, fortune, excused on a person would be decided in each arena. A structure which well deserved its name, for although its form and a plan were borrowed from afar, its purpose was eminent. It means to produce. Solely the brain of this man, who every barely form a king, knew no tradition to which he owed allegiance, then pleased his fancy. Who, engrafted on every adopted from a human thought and action to reach the growth of his barbaric idealism. He don't know that what is barbaric idealism. Why the Latin country follow the barbaric idealism? But without thinking, he just followed that. Without thinking, he applied that in his country. To don't know about the rituals, the customs, the tradition of his country. And that's why the people are not agree with him. The people cannot accept it. Neither they can oppose him because they have no courage to say about his kingdom. Let's see that.